What's up? We're back. And we have a very, not heavy but big box here. And we're going to be opening it. And, you know, by the title you obviously know it's a symbol. We're going to be putting it on. We'll do a little sound test and we'll see how it is. And I'll link it in the description if you want to buy it. So, here we go.
Got a blast!
Sabian B8x ballistic crash. It's an 18-inch. It's got these cool hammering marks. I have this in the box too. This is gonna go on that simple stand right there. And we're gonna have two symbols like this area right here. Alright, so what I'm thinking we'll need to do is unscrew this. This needs to, well, it depends on what way I want it, really. So I think I want, this has to go like this. So this needs to be up here. Obviously we're going to have to change the angle. So yeah, that's probably good. So here is the ballistic crash, and I have another one over here, which is the SBR 16-inch. I don't even know what this is. This one's so old that I don't even know what it is. But I use it as my right symbol. And then this will be a super good comparison. This is an 18-inch and this is a 16-inch. So here's a 16-inch. 18-inch. Strap's getting a lot darker tone, but this has way different, you know, I don't know what you call it, you know, different look and, you know, hammering. This has no hammering, that's what I'm trying to get at. It has a different texture, if you want to say that. If you want to see me doing some chops, I guess I'll do that.